Garden. Today's lesson is nice and short. It's going to seem really similar to the lesson we just did about the number 8, but today we're going to talk about the number 9. So you can go ahead and get 9 Lincoln cubes out of your red Center City bag. Alrighty, so let's go ahead and get started. I see the number 9 over here because today we're talking about the number 9. I want you to take your cubes and just drop them down on the table or the floor or wherever you're working. And we're going to do what we did with our 8 cubes last time. We're going to connect these cubes together to help us keep track as we count. Let's go ahead and get started. Remember, you can use your finger to connect them, but I'm going to show you on the screen using a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then our last one is all the way at the top, 9. That's the pattern that I chose to count these cubes in, but you could do a different pattern if that works easier for you. When we count objects, we just want to create a path that helps us keep track of the ones we've counted and the ones we haven't counted. That's why drawing a line is so important. Alrighty, I'm going to go ahead and move my little face over here to get out of the way of the screen. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that's good enough. Oops. So let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many orange cubes do I have? Go ahead and say it out loud. You're right, I have 5 orange cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many blue cubes do I have? Say it out loud. Yeah, I have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 5 orange cubes and I have 4 blue cubes, and that makes 9. I can also organize them like this in rows that go far across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is 5 and 4 together? Yeah, you're right. It's 9. Good job. I can even put them in a circle like this. Today, I'm going to start with this blue cube right here as I count. I want you to put your cubes in a circle and figure out where you're going to start. You could use a color to help you remember where you started, or you could draw a line to help you figure out where you started, but we want to make sure we only count each cube once. I'm going to start here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I still have 9 cubes, even though they're organized different. All right, so the next thing you're going to do is practice writing your 9s. Remember, a loop and a line, that's the way we make a 9. Go ahead and try it yourself. A loop and a line, that's the way we make a 9. If you look on this next page, you have space to practice drawing your number 9s. You're going to draw your loop and a line. You're going to practice on top of the model. You're going to fill in the boxes, and then you're going to try it on your own. You also have a chance to color 9 happy faces, and you can circle a different group of 9 happy faces, okay? So you're going to color 9, and then you're going to circle a different group of 9. So that means everyone's page is going to look a little different. For today's problem set, we have 2 whole pages. But again, it's going to look kind of familiar to you because we've been doing this for a while with a lot of different numbers. You're going to start by drawing a counting path with a line to show the order in which you counted, and then you're going to write the number underneath. You can then circle a group of 5. So just like I did at the beginning of this video, you're going to draw a line as you count. If you need to restart this video to watch me do that again, you absolutely can. Down here, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to count the stars and objects and write the number of objects in the boxes. And then on the next page, you're going to count the dots and write the number. And you're going to do the same over here, but you're going to circle a group of 5. Our last activity is to color 5 in and then count all of the circles. Over here, you're going to color 5, and then you're going to draw more circles to make 9. This problem set is not that different from what we've been doing together. But as usual, if you're having any trouble with it, do not worry because we're going to go over it together in our math lesson. Also, I don't know if you could hear that, but my dog Kitten just sneezed in the background. So we can say, "Bless you, Kitten." All right, remember to put your work on Seesaw when you're done. See you later, kindergarten.